to let you know, I'm sorry that we haven't been in touch in a long time. I know I'm not really good with all those annoying emails. Oh my gosh, but I'm going to try to get better, okay? I just want to let you know that I know Cryptoland, there's a lot of transition going on right now. So I'm here if you need help. I created Dial Susie so that if you need to reach me, it's like so cheap, like $97 for like a week. And then we can connect and really make sure that you know exactly what you're doing, how to get in and get out. Binance is shutting USA off of their platforms. So let's just stay in contact and make sure that you continue to earn a profit on your all of your investments. So this is just for you. If you guys need me, I'm here. It's dialsusie.com and I'll be able to get your email and contact you that way. All right, I will talk to you soon. I'm so happy that